Amazon announces a new change today around titles. This is actually one of the newer things that I did not expect on the 2025 Amazon Bingo card. So today, Amazon actually announced to everyone that effective January 21st, product title requirements are going to change. So, what does this actually entail for us? Well, a couple of things. First and foremost, they are going to be changing so that titles cannot exceed 200 characters, including spaces, which I think is fine. That is, within the realm of where I would typically want a title to be, anyways, is below that. Secondarily, they're removing some special characters unless they are part of the brand name. This one, again, I am totally fine with because anyone who is using most of these is not going to be helpful. The only one I do see is this one with the exclamation point, and that usually is a part of brand names as it is. So I'm not too worried about it, but is something to keep in mind if, for instance, you have it in your title now. Not sure why you would, but perchance. And then next and finally, titles may not contain the same word more than twice. This is the biggest change that Amazon has here because if you are thinking about it, having a title or any type of word in your title more than twice, yeah, it's technically not great and you already have your title density, but there are plenty of reasons as to why you might have a word more than twice. I mean, we can think of something super simple along the lines of like even bed sheets. If you just have the word sheets in there more than once, maybe it's because they're cotton sheets, silk sheets. I don't know, right? There could be a variety of reasons, or a variety pack that has multiple different types of a product in it, all of which you have to name within your title. So that's the only one of these that I'm not really a huge fan of that Amazon is doing. Outside of this, I think this is a fine change from Amazon. It's, a little surprising to have it come, but I'm also not a big fan of how much changing they're doing to the titles as is with taking out the brand name and not making it a part of the title in some cases. So that is kind of weird in of itself. But on top of that, they're also claiming that over time, we've observed that product titles have become longer and they sometimes include redundant wording or characters that can decrease customer confidence. Now, I agree with that to an extent. I do think that there are situations in which product titles are way too long and they just don't look good, but those also are not ones that I typically would say, hey, these follow what I would consider to be best practice. Does this necessarily follow best practice to a T? No, not necessarily with the twice wording because you can only have so much title density with any words, but at the end of the day, I think this is an interesting change made by Amazon. This, again, is going to be starting on January 21st. So no changes will happen until then. The actual thing that will happen, if you do not change any of this, is if you don't meet the requirements for any of this, then you will see all of this in the fixed non-compliant titles under your manage all inventory. Additionally, we'll provide override suggestions, which, as you probably can assume, this is just another one of those situations where Amazon is going to give you their new AI listing creator and say, hey, this is what your title should look like instead, which I believe they're trying to lean more and more into the AI side of things, making suggestions and fixing titles, even if it's not necessarily best practice. I would be curious to see if they have put these exact type of rules into their AI already so that the AI doesn't have it. I'm sure some people will do some testing around it, but whether or not this is something that is going to necessarily impact a large majority of sellers, I don't think so. Most people outside of the two, words more than twice probably don't have all of those characters in there. They probably aren't over 200. If you're listening to any of the videos I've put out, you're not going to have more than 200 in there. So overall, I think pretty simple change by Amazon. The actual suggestions will be rolled out gradually, as they say. And then from there as well, they're going to host an Ask Amazon event on this. But overall, yeah, I don't think this is necessarily the worst of decisions Amazon has made with titles, but it does show that they are trying to hammer down a little bit more as to get a much more consistent theme of listings across the entire platform. So kind of taking away from that, ability to be your own product and your own brand and make Amazon much more fleshed out across the board with how everyone looks in a certain way. So interesting to see. I'll see if more of this comes up and we'll keep you posted.